Hello tool lovers, welcome to the channel. Today we're showcasing top 20 genius woodworking tools every woodworker should own. From smart measuring tools to innovative cutting and drilling solutions, these tools can make your projects faster, easier and more precise. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional carpenter, these amazing tools will definitely upgrade your workshop and woodworking skills. Let's get started. M1 Caliber Measuring Tool. The Reekon M1. Caliber Measuring Tool is an innovative digital device that transforms a standard miter saw into a precise measuring system. Mounted directly on the saw fence, it measures material instantly as it slides beneath a precision wheel, removing the need for a tape measure and pencil. The tool features automatic blade kerf compensation, a large backlit LCD display, and support for both metric and imperial units. Its spring-loaded arm adapts to different material shapes, while durable construction ensures reliable performance in busy workshops or job sites. Router Plane Handheld. The Cowryman Router Plane Handheld. Woodworking tool is designed for precise cleaning and leveling of grooves, dados, and mortises in woodworking projects. Built from durable, rust-resistant stainless steel, it offers long-lasting performance and reliable accuracy. The adjustable depth control system allows woodworkers to achieve consistent, repeatable cuts with ease. Ergonomic wooden handles provide a comfortable grip, reducing fatigue during extended use. Some models also feature an L-shaped blade, making it easier to reach tight corners and detailed areas for fine, professional woodworking results. Resin Table Top Epoxy Resin Kit. The Craft Resin Table Top Epoxy Resin Kit is a professional two-part epoxy designed for creating glossy, durable coatings on tabletops, bar tops, and countertops. Its simple 1:1 mix ratio makes it beginner-friendly while delivering a crystal-clear, glass-like finish that enhances wood, artwork, and photos. The formula includes UV inhibitors to resist yellowing and features self-leveling properties that reduce bubbles. Once cured, it forms a strong, scratch-resistant, moisture-proof surface suitable for everyday use. DeadNutz. The Woodpeckers. DeadNutz Machinist Square DNSQ-3 is a premium precision tool built for exact machinery setup and woodworking calibration. Machined from a single block of 3/8 inch stainless steel, it delivers exceptional durability and stability. Using advanced wire EDM manufacturing, the square achieves remarkable accuracy within plus or minus 0.002 degrees. Its finely beveled reference edges make it easy to detect even the smallest gaps when checking blades, fences, or setups. Designed for professionals and serious woodworkers, the DeadNutz Square ensures reliable, dead-on measurements every time in any workshop environment. Parallel Bar Clamp. The Jorgensen 36-inch Cabinet Master. Parallel Bar Clamp is a heavy-duty woodworking clamp built for precision glue-ups and large panel assemblies. Its parallel jaws apply even pressure across the entire surface, preventing bowing and keeping projects perfectly square. The clamp delivers up to 1,000 pounds of steady force and features a 3 3/4 inch throat depth for deeper reach. A reversible head converts it into a spreader for versatile use. With a high carbon steel bar and ergonomic soft grip handle, it offers durability, control, and reliable performance in demanding furniture making tasks. Milescraft 1340 HardwareJig. The Milescraft 1340 HardwareJig is a versatile and precise drilling jig designed for quick and accurate installation of cabinet handles and knobs. Its reversible design allows use on both left and right doors, while adjustable sliding stops ensure repeatable results across multiple pieces. Equipped with 3 durable 5mm 3/16 inch steel drill bushings, it guarantees straight, clean holes every time. The jig accommodates hardware from 1 3/4 inches to 10 inches in length, with centering notches for perfect alignment. A reversible ruler with both metric and imperial measurements enhances convenience, and a built-in hanging hole provides simple, organized storage when not in use. Wolfcraft Deep Hole Marker. The Wolfcraft Deep Hole Marker is a precision marking tool designed for professionals who need accuracy in tight or deep spaces. Featuring an extra thin 5.7mm pin shaft, it can mark up to 4 cm deep in hard to reach areas like drill holes. Its built-in sharpener in the push button cap ensures consistent precision, while the ergonomic, non-slip handle offers comfort during extended use. A durable metal lead guide prevents breakage, and the marker includes long-lasting refills for both light and dark surfaces. Conveniently stored in a protective case, the refills ensure clean, organized, and reliable use for a variety of marking tasks. TLGREEN Folding Work Table EX. The TLGREEN Folding Work Table EX is a 7-in-1 multifunctional workstation designed for ultimate versatility and convenience. It functions as a workbench, sawhorse, scaffold, platform, car creeper, dolly, and hand truck, supporting up to 440 pounds in platform mode. Built with a durable steel frame and heavy-duty aluminum legs, it ensures stability and long-term use. The detachable tool tray and quick clamp holes add precision and efficiency for carpenters, craftsmen, and DIY enthusiasts. Compact and foldable, it requires no assembly, features wheels for mobility, and offers adjustable height, making it perfect for workshops, garages, and home projects. Pony Jorgensen Wood Hand Screw Clamps. The Pony Jorgensen Wood Hand Screw Clamps are classic, reliable tools designed for precision woodworking. Featuring seasoned hard maple jaws, they protect delicate or finished surfaces from damage while providing a strong, even grip. The cold-drawn steel spindles and double lead threads ensure smooth, fast adjustments and long-lasting durability. Comfortable wooden handles allow easy tightening and loosening, enhancing user control. These versatile clamps are ideal for holding small or irregularly shaped workpieces securely during cutting, routing, or gluing operations. Their adjustable design accommodates a wide range of project sizes, making them a must-have for professional woodworkers and DIY enthusiasts alike. Trend T32 M-Class Dust Extractor. The Trend T32 Class Dust Extractor is a compact, high-performance unit designed for professional and general site use. With M-Class certification, it delivers 99.9% filtration efficiency, making it suitable for all wood types and fine dust applications. Its filter cleaning button vibrates the HEPA cartridge to remove debris, while the extraction velocity LED indicator monitors performance and blockages. Built with trade-rated materials 2006/42/EC, it ensures durability in demanding environments. The 20-litre container, microfilter bag, and oversized rear wheels offer excellent portability and convenience, making it perfect for workshops, garages, and on-site cleaning tasks. MICROJIG MATCHFIT Dovetail Router Bit. The MICROJIG MATCHFIT Dovetail Router Bit is a precision-engineered tool designed for flawless joinery and compatibility with the MATCHFIT system. Its rounded corner profile minimizes tear out and delivers exceptionally smooth, clean cuts that reduce post-sanding work. Featuring an 8-degree downshear design, it efficiently clears chips and dust to prevent overheating and ensure consistent results. Specifically crafted to fit MATCHFIT dovetail clamps and hardware, it guarantees a perfect fit and reliable performance. A clearly marked collet safety line ensures correct insertion depth, while the laser-etched depth guide offers a fast and accurate setup for a precise 3/8 inch cutting depth. SKIL SRT 1039 Benchtop Portable Router Table. The SKIL SRT 1039 Benchtop Portable Router Table is a versatile and efficient tool designed for precision woodworking. It features an above-table router lift, allowing easy bit height adjustments without removing the router. The dual-sided integrated bit storage keeps bits protected and accessible, while the smooth 26 inches by 16 inches MDF table and durable aluminum mitre gauge slot ensure accurate routing. Its 24-inch adjustable fence with MDF faceplates supports larger workpieces. 2 featherboards enhance safety and control, minimizing kickback. The quick clamp router mount accommodates most major router brands, making setup fast and secure for both professionals and hobbyists. Laguna F1 Table Saw. The Laguna F1 Table Saw is a high-precision woodworking tool designed for accuracy, power, and ease of use. It features a 1.5 horsepower, 110-volt single-phase motor with a 10-inch blade spinning at 4,000 RPM. The saw offers a 30-inch rip capacity and a left tilt blade with a 45-degree maximum angle for versatile cuts. Its smooth, ground-finish cast iron table ensures stability, while the fully adjustable T-style fence and premium mitre gauge enhance precision. For safety, it includes a transparent blade guard, riving knife, and 4-inch dust port. Convenient tool storage and a tool-free spindle lock make blade changes simple. Mafell Milling Motor FM 1000P VWS. The Mafell Milling Motor FM 1000P VWS is a high-performance 1000-watt motor engineered for precision milling applications. It offers an adjustable speed range of 4,000 to 25,000 revolutions per minute with digital electronics that ensure soft start, constant speed, and overload protection. Designed for use in portal milling systems, it includes a 0 to 10 volt portal interface, M8 connection, and duo-in control for manual or automated operation. The rapid fix cable system allows quick setup, while the tool-free quick clamping device simplifies bit changes. With superior concentricity and a low 71 decibels, A noise level, the FM 1000P VWS delivers reliability, accuracy, and smooth operation. Wolfcraft Machine Tables. Master Cut. The Wolfcraft Master Cut machine tables are multifunctional workstations designed for precision, stability, and versatility. They serve as circular saw benches, milling tables, or jigsaw tables, offering compatibility with a wide range of handheld tools. The 22mm MDF worktop provides ample clamping space, while parallel and angle stops ensure accurate cuts from -60 degrees to +60 degrees. Built with a durable steel and aluminum frame, it supports up to 200 kilograms and includes safety locks, dust extraction options, and foldable legs for compact storage. Ideal for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts, it delivers high precision and maximum workspace efficiency. Bluespruce Tool Router Plane. The Bluespruce Tool Router Plane is a premium woodworking hand tool designed for precision flattening and smoothing of recessed areas such as dados, grooves and mortises. Crafted from a solid billet of ductile iron with a black nitride finish, it offers exceptional strength and corrosion resistance. The fine pitch screw and brass knob provide precise, backlash-free depth control, while interchangeable square and spear point blades ensure versatility. The blade can be mounted in 3 positions for optimal cutting direction. Bolivian rosewood handles enhance comfort and grip. An optional fence allows accurate edge guidance, making this tool ideal for fine joinery and detailed work. Bow PushPRO Push Stick. The Bow PushPRO Push Stick is a premium safety and control tool designed for woodworking precision. Its high-density EVA tip conforms to the wood surface, providing greater feed control and vibration, dampening for smoother, cleaner cuts. The EVA material is replaceable, reversible, and safe for use with carbide blades, unlike plastic alternatives that can cause damage or kickback. It's also non-marring, protecting even soft woods from dents or compression. The PushPRO ensures enhanced safety, as EVA tips won't trigger a saw stop system or react violently on contact. With its ergonomic modular design, users can easily customize the handle for optimal comfort and control. Milescraft PenPress. The Milescraft PenPress is a premium all-metal pen assembly tool designed for precision, durability, and ease of use. It features 6 quick flip stops that allow fast adjustments for different project sizes, saving valuable time in the workshop. The smooth glide toggle mechanism delivers precise pressure, while the spring-loaded receiving tip ensures accurate alignment and a secure fit. The steel handle with a non-slip comfort grip provides up to 300 pounds of pressure for firm assembly. Its solid, non-slip base keeps the press stable during use and can be easily clamped to your work surface for added convenience and control. Bessey tools. Variable angle strap clamp. The Bessey 23-foot. Variable angle strap clamp, VAS 23+2K, is a versatile clamping solution ideal for frames, boxes, and irregular shapes. It features a 23-foot woven polyester strap with high tensile strength, capable of holding up to 1,100 pounds. The clamp provides even pressure by tensioning the strap from both ends simultaneously. 4 pivoting corner supports adjust from 60 degrees to 180 degrees, ensuring a secure grip on angled or round workpieces. Its integrated winding mechanism allows easy strap storage, while the ergonomic composite handle offers comfort and control, making it perfect for woodworking, cabinetry, and picture framing applications.